my dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to draw perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a right angle triangle. We had already learned how to draw perpendicular bisector of segment. Same method we have to apply in the case of all these triangles. For that we will going to see all three types of triangles and how to draw perpendicular bisectors of the sides of that all three sides of that triangle. We will start with the right angle triangle. In this type of construction, we are not going to take any measurement or any length of the side. We just draw the figure randomly. This is the base of right angle. We will take this line here because we don't have much space here to draw. See, this is the base of a right angle. If we take any 90-degree angle, this is our right angle triangle. Okay, now the name of this triangle ABC. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of each side of this triangle. That means we have to draw perpendicular bisector of BC, perpendicular bisector of AB and perpendicular bisector of AC. Let's see how to draw. First of all, we will take BC, side BC, put pointed part on the one end of the segment, that is point B. Then take more than half distance, put one arc upper side, one at the upper side, one at the lower side. Put same distance and put pointed part on the point C. Here is one arc, here is one arc, and draw one line which is passing through these two given points. This is perpendicular bisector, so we draw this sign because these two parts are equal in length. Now we'll draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Put pointed part on the point C, take more than half distance, one arc here, one arc here, put the same distance, keep the same distance and put the pointed part on the A and draw two arc. Now intersection of these two arc, we draw one line which is passing through these two points. Like this. This is also perpendicular line. This part is same. Now we will draw perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Take more than half distance. Draw one arc here, one arc here. Put same distance here. One arc here, one arc here, and draw one line which is passing through these 2 points. This is perpendicular bisector of side AB, and we comes to know that all these perpendicular bisectors are intersect each other at a single point on the hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. So first we comes to know that all three perpendicular bisectors of the side of any triangle of right angle triangle are concurrent. That means three or more line comes together intersect each other at a single point, then they are called concurrent. So all these perpendicular bisectors are concurrent. and the point of concurrence is on the hypotenuse. In case of right angle triangle, it is on the hypotenuse, point of concurrence. Okay, now we will see where is the point of concurrence in case of obtuse angle and acute angle. In this way, we have learned how to draw perpendicular bisector of the side of each type of triangle, and we comes to know the properties of this perpendicular bisector, that perpendicular bisector of the side of triangle are concurrent. That means all three bisectors perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle intersect at a single point, so they are called concurrent, and their point of concurrence is known as circumcenter. It is called circumcenter. Keep in mind that the point of concurrence of perpendicular bisector of the sides of the triangle is known as circumcenter, and the angle bisector of a triangle are called incenter. The point of concurrence of angle bisectors of triangle are called incenter.